So I just got my package from Deal Extreme, and you guys can see, and this is basically silicone protection for my HTC Hero G3. So let's just open it up. I'm just going to open it up here. Alright, so here we go. Fits easy and